Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the VerifyFitPro application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the VerifyFitPro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here find the option called dial setting, and tap on it, of course. Here find the option called wallpaper watch face, and tap on this plus button. Then tap on select new wallpaper, and as you can see we have two options. We have take photo and album. If you select the take a photo option, it will open the camera app and you can take a photo and use it as a watch face. And the album option opens the file manager or photo app on your phone, and you can select the photo from your phone. I'm gonna select the album option. As you can see, we have the list of folders here. We can tap on one to open the folder, and here we have different pictures. I'm gonna select this one, and once you select the picture, you will be able to crop it, or you will need to crop it. Basically, you can move around the picture because the picture is too big to fit on the watch face, so we need to select the part of the picture to use as a watch face. So, for example, let's crop it this way. We can zoom in and zoom out, of course. We can move around, and once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have a preview of our watch face. And once you're done, tap on set as main watch face to set the watch face on your watch. Now let's wait until it's done synchronizing. And once it's done synchronizing, when you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see your watch face right here. Okay, now we can close the application, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.